Time now for Rico's Rescues. Right, little Rico? Let's save some lives. Huh, Rico? Rico, Rico. Hey, Rico. Rico. And Rico is my mother's dog. We found him on the streets in Puerto Rico, and now he has a home. So many animals in need of a home throughout the United States and Puerto Rico and elsewhere. Rico was one of them, and look how happy he is. He's wearing a raincoat because it is raining here in New York. Now, we're going to introduce you to another pooch in need of a loving family. Straight out to my dear friend, animal welfare expert Jane Garrison. Who you got there, and what's her story?
This is gorgeous Precious. Another big kisser this week. Precious is a beautiful 4-year-old chocolate pit bull mix, and she was dumped at a shelter pregnant, and sadly only 3 of her puppies got out alive, and she did get out alive. The puppies have been adopted, and she is aching for a home. She is such a good girl. As you can see from the picture, she's great with kids. She's great with people. She's very smart. She loves to play. She really exemplifies everything that a pit bull is. You know, Jane, so many people have this bad feeling about pit bulls, but they're really great dogs.
Look at her. There she is, Precious. Take a look at this video. Now, what's interesting is that pit bulls, and I'm sorry if I'm just talking slowly because I love to watch the video of this animal. We're going to save her life. You know, since we've started this segment, Rico's Rescue, we've saved hundreds of dogs because we showcase one dog, but there's pit bulls all over the country, thousands and thousands of them. You can go to adoptapet.com and you can get a pit bull, or you can get any other pet that you want. Name it, a poodle, a Pomeranian, they're out there. But you're right, Jane, pit bulls do get a bad rap. What they need is a family who will give them plenty of exercise and just take walks and run and not be cooped up in an apartment, right?
Well, and you know, a great testimony to how great pit bulls are is you look at the dogs from Michael Vick. Those dogs went through so much abuse, and yet they're now in loving homes, and you can see they just want love.
Oh my gosh.
She needs a home, so
yeah,
this little beast of a lover needs a home. So I hope that someone can contact Take Me Home Rescue, and let's get Precious in a home. And go to adoptapet.com. Adopt an adult dog. You'll know if they're good with kids. You'll know if they're good with animals. Adoptapet.com. Let's get these dogs out of the shelters. Stop supporting breeders. Stop supporting pet stores. Let's stop the killing, this needless killing of millions of dogs every year. And let's save a life today.
Yeah, and you mentioned something about puppies, and sadly, so many unwanted animals are not spayed or neutered. They're out there, they're having puppies. One animal, whether it's a cat or a dog, can become 1,000, 2,000. It's exponential. So spay and neuter is another component. And on the other side of the break, we're going to show you how amazing animals are. And again, you can go to adoptapet.com. How easy is that to remember? Anywhere across the United States, you just put your zip code, your area code in, and boom, your pet of your choice will pop up, whether it's a Chihuahua, like little Rico here, or whether it's a pit bull, or whether it's a poodle. Hey, little Rico, why don't we check out our kooky video of the day? It's one of your buddies, Oliver the Terrier. And Oliver gets a sneezing attack. The family says it might have been some black pepper from dinner. But the key, Jane Garrison, is that these dogs bring such joy and laughter to our lives. If I've had a hard day, I come home, my dogs never fail to make me laugh and fill with gratitude. And while we talk, let's put up the website where it's takemehome.tv if you're in the Santa Monica area and you want to get little Precious, maybe not so little Precious. And remember, adoptapet.com, any dog across the country, any breed whatsoever. 4 to 5 million dogs and cats are killed every year because there's no homes. And this one's a love. Tell us a little bit more about Precious, Jane.
The nice thing about Precious is that she's an adult dog, so you know what you're getting. She's gone through training. She's great to be an only dog. She's not destructive. You can leave her alone. She doesn't mind, but she's always happy to go for a walk as well. And she loves kids. She loves to play, and she loves to give kisses. She is a really great dog.
She is
And now,
a love.
Jane,
They
I met
all
this
are.
dog, and I met her an hour ago, so you can imagine once she really gets to know you.
Precious needs a home.